The COMFEE disturbance. The included water pitcher and drain hose further enhance its convenience and ease of use. Overall, the COMFEE portable mini dishwasher offers a compact, flexible, and efficient dishwashing solution. Its various program options, high-temperature hygiene cycle, and ultra-compact design make it an excellent choice for those seeking a space-saving and effective way to keep their dishes clean and fresh.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.